Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants have bones? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail. So let's start the video. Ants do not have bones because they are invertebrates and lack a bony structure or an endoskeleton. They have an exoskeleton made up of chitin that provides strength to their bodies for movement. Moreover, it protects the internal organs and reduces the weight of small ants due to its light weight. In addition, it can improve the functioning of muscles and act as a defense line against predator attacks. Furthermore, it is easy to shed off hard chitin shells during growth and allows better movement of limbs. You probably know that the internal skeleton is the characteristic of humans and animals, and all arthropods or insects have an external skeleton. Ants can be annoying creatures, but it is always fascinating to know about their nature and anatomy, as their small physical appearance generates a lot of queries about their anatomy. An endoskeleton is an internal structure of bones usually found in vertebrates with a distinct backbone or spinal cord. Ants are insects that belong to the arthropods groups and lack an internal bony structure. They do not have a bony structure and their bodies have an outer chitin shell, which is a waterproof material. They have no bones because they have a chitin shell as a replacement for an endoskeleton, as they are invertebrates. This bony structure and tough skeleton are only present in vertebrates. Moreover, chitin is present in these insects' gut lining, mouth and muscle attachment points. This tough material provides a protective covering and support to their soft bodies. The chitin forms an external shield that is not as strong as endoskeleton, but provides strength to move and involve itself in all activities. Furthermore, the outer shell of their bodies is made up of chitin that can efficiently protect the muscle and internal organs. The exoskeleton offers many advantages to the ants in terms of protection from invaders, better functioning of muscles, and improved movement of limbs. The exoskeleton can protect the internal organs, making up a digestive system and sensory system. The external pressures can affect their sensitive organs, so this sensitive layer acts as a covering and provides a barrier from environmental fluctuations. Moreover, chitin is a hard material that provides a structure and better support to the internal system. It does not expand in size and shed from the body after some time when they have to replace the old shell with a new one. This shedding duration is challenging or dangerous for these tiny insects because it takes to develop into a hard sheet like the older one. Chitin material is light in weight and keeps the bodies of insects lighter, which helps improve their flight. It has less weight, but it is strong enough to tolerate the stress. A film bonding between cellulose molecules makes it highly dense and strong. Moreover, it combines with other protein molecules to build a hard outer shell. Although ants do not have bones, they do have a skeletal system. This system is formed by the exoskeleton and the internal structure that provides support and attachment points for muscles. The exoskeleton acts as a substitute for bones in providing support, protection, and locomotion for ants. It is important to note that while ants lack bones, they are still complex organisms with intricate anatomical structures and specialized adaptation. Their exoskeletons play a crucial role in their survival and success as highly organized social insects. Thanks for watching the video.